Every summer tells a story. The question is, what story do you want to tell? Maybe it's the one where you step out of your comfort zone and start building the future you've always dreamed of. Or the one where you wake up in Spain, yes, Spain, and realize you're creating the stories that one day you'll tell over and over. When summer starts approaching, you're faced with a choice. Invest in your future by learning something new, or let loose, travel, make unforgettable memories. But what if you didn't have to choose? At IE Summer School, you can do both. For 2 unforgettable weeks, you'll dive into an academic adventure tailored to your goals while enjoying beautiful sunny Spain. Whether you're aiming to get a taste of college life before the real deal, or leveling up your professional skills, here you'll fit right in. Picture this: mornings spent learning from industry experts about the topics that interest you most. Afternoons exploring breathtaking cities with friends from all over the globe. And evenings filled with rooftop sunsets, delicious food, and endless laughter. Beyond the classroom, there's adventure too. From kayaking under the Spanish sun to ziplining through lush forests, or simply savoring churros in a cozy cafe. In Madrid, you'll feel the energy of a bustling metropolis. And in Segovia, you'll experience small-town charm straight out of a fairy tale. This is a different summer school experience. Here, you'll learn new skills and discover the best of IE University. But most importantly, you'll discover yourself. So, what's stopping you? This summer, don't just dream big. Start living your biggest dreams. Join us at IE Summer School and make this the summer you'll never forget.